Okay guys, so today we're looking on discharging a capacitor, and we're gonna set up the circuit. Well, the circuit will be already set up to for us, and we'll just need to flip the switch. We're gonna skip down to the method. Circuit will be set up for us. So pretty much we're gonna allow the capacitor to charge for a minute, and then we're gonna open the circuit and we're gonna take the current and voltage for intervals of 10 seconds. I want you guys to actually use your phone timer for this one, and when you're doing this lab, you'll also need to take down this table because you won't have time to go backward and forward, because 10-second intervals will go along quite quickly. I will send this link to you in the video. So we can reset. Let's click our reset button. Well, I'm clicking reset because it was already there. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna ensure that our capacitance is on 650 microfarad. Ensure that your simulation speed is quite slow, your current speed is quite slow, and we're gonna take our timer after that for a minute. So let me put my timer. That's that. We're gonna do it for a minute. Notice that there isn't a voltmeter or an ammeter in the circuit, but when you put your values here along here, you'll notice that you'll get a voltmeter and an ammeter values. So you'll see I equal to 44 milliamp and VD equal to 600 and something milliamp. So that's what we're going to be using as we go along here. Our minute is just about ended, and we're going to switch and take the capacitor from the battery. We're going to go down here and we're going to record at time 0. We have 8 milliamps. We're going to start our timer as well, and we're going to record our current and voltage readings. Start your timer. After 10 seconds, take a reading. Time 7.4, 772. Next 20 seconds, it's gonna go up. 7.6, 700 and you may need to, if it's going too fast for you, you could slow down the simulation speed. Let's see, slowing it down. You don't want it to go too slow. If it's going way too fast because you want some real good numbers, you may just take screenshots along the way. Ensure that it's going at a good speed so you're able. So you're gonna take 6 readings and then you're gonna complete that there. So that's it for today lab. Now after you collect those readings, which might be very difficult to collect, you're gonna collect at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 readings. You'll do some calculations here. Right now you shouldn't have known the capacitance. Well, you're gonna calculate on capacitance as you go along using the formula. You're gonna calculate the charge on the capacitance as well. You're in your analysis, you're gonna plot a graph of ln IO versus time. You're gonna determine the gradient, and from the gradient you're gonna determine the unknown capacitance. So we have a few graphs here to plot. So it's gonna be analysis and interpretation lab. So that's it for me. Enjoy it.